Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. This is just a quick recap what I created with Louisa on our last live. Just wanted to share my little project. You know, I'm crafting the Maggie Holmes with them Crafty Girls on Sunday lives, and I figured let me just go ahead and make this little book with the KS Crafts. What is this one called? I don't remember the exact name for this one. Storybook or something. And I didn't do a shaker for my cover. I just used the foam, give it some dimension, and just a little open section here. They could, like, stick a photo or something, whoever gets this, or just leave it plain, just as it is. I made this ruffle trim on a previous live with them Crafty Girls. I used one of Ebony's rosettes here. And then if you don't know, she's the Rosette Guru on Instagram. That's where she sells her rosettes. And this trim here, this is also from Ebony. I just added an extra layer of texture on the back of it, which is the little dewdrops. And so almost everything on here is KS Crafts. So the storybook is KS Crafts. The word spring words here is KS Crafts. The flower set are KS Crafts, and the leaves are KS Crafts. Now the punch, this one here, they are punches, and those are just from Amazon. I picked this up though on a D-stash, but you can find them on Amazon. I also picked this one up at Hobby Lobby, but I broke this one, so it no longer punches, which is a damn shame. Because I like those. Those are the ones I use for my flower center right there. Okay, so on the inside page here, I used the layering piece. So you know which is the layering piece because it has the stitch detail. So I use this one to make my pages, since it offsets just a little bit, like a hair, an eighth of an inch, maybe even less than that. So anyway, I did that. I cut out the pattern paper, and I trimmed it off just inside the stitch detail. So it's the same size. I use this for the base and also this for the second layering piece right here. So I made this one into a pocket, and I just put glue down the sides and on the bottom. And then this one is just side pocket here. And so it's basically the same thing. You're just gluing in a U shape. So this one is a pocket. And then this one is also, no, this one's glued down. And I think this one is a pocket. Yep, this one is a pocket. This one is not a pocket. This one is glued down. And I use digitals, guys. I use the digital collection from the Garden Party. And this one is a pocket up on the top. And then here's the back. And this is the outside back cover. I got it all layered on the back there. I'll probably put my label somewhere over here. But yep, that's the only thing I played with today. And hopefully, if you join us Sunday, I could finish up this little book. Hopefully, cross my fingers. Because after that, I will not be crafting in my craft room. I'll probably be showing videos, just recorded videos of me, how I prep my craft room so that it could get ready to be loaded like into boxes for the movers to pack. So yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Helps my channel grow and lets YouTube know that you love my content or you like what you see here. And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, join our crafty family, and hit the notification bell while you're at it so that you can get notified when I load a new video like this, or when I go live like I did before with Louisa on my YouTube channel. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.